Good afternoon, beautiful listeners. Anthony here on Anthony Knows. No judgment. Your story matters. Imagine the best night's sleep slipping away like a soap bar in the shower. Today, we have a special journey into the land of dry, itchy skin and sleepless nights. Stick around. You are not alone in this Scratchy saga. Our friend wrote, "Hi Anthony. My skin feels so dry and itchy that I can't sleep at night. The more I scratch, the worse it gets. I've tried creams but nothing works. I'm tired and frustrated." Oh, first, let's pause and give your skin and you a big virtual hug. That relentless stitch is no joke. You can raise your stress, mess with your mood, and toss your sleep out the window. You are doing your best, and it's okay to feel fed up. Let's turn frustration into action. Rule number 1. Hydrate from the inside out. Aim to drink water throughout the day. Think of your body as a top-up station. Then, slather on a rich, fragrance-free moisturizer right after your bath or shower. When your skin is still slightly damp, look for ingredients like ceramides or hyaluronic acid. They are the VIPs of skin hydration. Next, let's talk water temperature. Hot showers may feel heavenly, but they strip skin of natural oil. Dial the heat down to lukewarm and limit your shower to 10 minutes. After washing, gently pat yourself dry, no rubbing, and apply your moisturizer while your skin is still moist. Bonus hack: add a collagen-free, unscented colloidal oatmeal to your bath. It helps calm inflammation like a warm, friendly blanket for your skin. Now, let's tune up your environment. The humidifier in your bedroom can turn a dry desert into an oasis. Aim for the humidity level around 40 to 60%. Keep your bedding soft and breathable. Cotton or bamboo sheets help avoid extra friction. And if the itch hits at midnight, swap your nails for some soft cotton gloves or socks on your hands. It's a gentle reminder to pause before you scratch. But wait, there's more magic on the mind side. Psychology tells us that mindfulness exercises can lower that itch scratch cycle. Try a simple body scan before bed. Mentally note each part of your body from pulse to head. Breathe into any tension and let it go. If your mind still races, scribble your worries in a journal for 5 minutes. Give your brain permission to park them on paper and not in your pillow. Finally, build a soothing bedtime routine. Dim the lights an hour before sleep. Sip a cup of non-caffeinated tea. And play some soft tunes or a sleep story. Celebrate small wins. Every night you scratch less, you're one step closer to dreamland. Dear listener, itching is a signal, not a life sentence. With consistent care, gentle routines, and mindful pauses, you'll reclaim your nights. That's our show today. Thanks for tuning in. Keep scratching the surface of self-care. And remember, your story matters here with Anthony. Sleep tight, skin bright, and until next time, stay kind to yourself.